AI is the biggest money making opportunity in 2026, and many people don't know how to use it properly.
Hi guys, welcome back to Code with Sonali. So today I will share 4 ways you can earn money using AI. So let's start the video.
So, first is content creation. Now, you can create YouTube and Insta content without showing your face using AI tools, and this type of videos is getting really viral nowadays. You can use ChatGPT for your scripting, CapCut for editing, 11 Labs for voice, and Canva for design. If you are a freelancer with AI, you can 5x your speed now. Maybe you are a designer, writer, video editor, or a stock market dealer. You can use AI in every field. Business don't understand AI, and that's your biggest opportunity. You can be a AI agency and mix your automation and creativity skills to help business grow faster. Create once and sell it forever. That is the power of digital products. You can create your products like Excel combiner, where you can combine multiple Excel in one Excel and sell it in a minimal subscription. For more videos like this, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, bye bye.